And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these Backseat kick mat organizers. This is a 2-pack, as you can see, one for your driver and passenger seat. They just kind of fit over the headrest and the seat and give you all of these nice pockets to put things for your little ones in the back seat. Perfect for cars and SUVs. It's waterproof and easy to clean. No smell. Extra long and extra wide straps. 6 different pockets. Supports tablets up to 10 inches and includes a charging port hole and headphone hole. That's awesome. So there's a little sticker on it, car backseat organizer, and there's that. So there is 2 of them here, very thin, like that. That's nice. Wow. All right, so 1 and 2. Let's go put these on the car and show you what they look like. And here is this kick mat, completely installed, super easy. Literally clip the first strap and then clip the second strap. And then there's all kinds of pockets in here. So you have this nice clear one here in the front. You could literally take a tablet and set a tablet in there, have the headphones ran out, or the person sitting in the back seat can listen to what's going on. You can fit in a water bottle here, or maybe even a thing of pens or pencils. You've also got pockets here, as well as a pocket here, there, and then 2 big pockets here on the bottom. So with this, you could have your snacks, your toys, your sunglasses, your tablet, your water bottles, whatever's needed for the back seat could all fit inside here and be nicely organized. Thanks again to this company for sending me these organizing backseat car kick mats. As I mentioned, you get 2 of these in here. Thanks to the company for sending them to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.